Why, hello, my smooth friends. Today I've got another new palette for you, and it is from Cosmic Brushes, or Cosmic Beauty, whichever name you prefer. This palette is called the Angelic palette. It is in their typical packaging with a full mirror, and it has this beautiful, I feel like this is a winter/spring color story with pinks and lilacs, blues, and some deeper pinks as well. So before we get into that, let's prep my face, get everything ready. I'm going to use some Milk Makeup Primer. It's their jelly primer, and I got a little sample of this, so I'll just use it up. I like to use my hands for my primer because I just feel like it spreads it out the most evenly. And then I'm going to use my NARS. It's called the NARS Light Reflection Foundation in Vienna. My color is Vienna. So I will use a brush for that. Just grabbing an IT Cosmetics brush, and I will put it on with that. Yeah, so it's Sunday again. I tend to do almost all of my filming on Sunday. Mainly because then I can upload it through the week easily and not have to worry about interfering with my job, because I do have a full-time job on top of this. But I do try to film at least 3 to 4 full-length videos, and then I'll throw in some shorts in between as well, as much as I can. So if you like beauty content and you're looking for someone that's going to tell you the truth, it's not going to mess around with who's supporting me this month, they're the best, and want to know if there's special deals out there so you can save a little money in this economy, feel free to subscribe. Like I said, I post 3 to 4 times a week as long form and lots of shorts. Okay, let's see. I have a new blush here somewhere. Yes, from Rose Ink. I got this in my Allure Beauty box, and it is a cream to powder blush. And I am just going to use this SpongeBob brush from Lethal Cosmetics to put it on with. And it looks like I never tore off the little paper from the mirror on this, so let's take that off because that's very satisfying. Okay, and I'm just going to plop this on my face. This is a very nice little pink color. Not too much, not too little. It's called Hydrangea. And that's interesting because hydrangeas are usually blue or pink, but it depends on the pH of the soil. And that's what makes the color of the hydrangea flowers. And I never remember which one is which, if it's acidic is blue and vice versa. But hydrangea is like nature's pH meter. Cool. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's put on a little bit of lip. I'm just going to use my Singe Beauty pencil in Radical Rosewood to outline my lips. And just do it in like a sketching motion, and that's the easiest way to not mess up. Just sketch. And then I just messed up because I was talking while I was doing this. But we'll just fix that. I'm going to use this ultra glossy lip from ColourPop. ColourPop has some mystery boxes out there right now. And I've gotten those in the past. They're a pretty good deal, especially if you don't have a lot from ColourPop. If you're interested in seeing a ColourPop mystery unboxing, put a number 1 in the comments below. Thanks. Alright, let's look at our palette here. And we're going to swatch it. There's 12 beautiful colors. 4 of them are shimmers. And they have a beautiful quality to their eye palettes, and they're not super expensive either. So here are the first 4 colors. Blessed is a baby blue. Elegant is like almost like that color of Tiffany blue. Divine, which is a beautiful lavender, and a peach color called Graceful. These are really nice pastels. I do think wearing a white base underneath will really help the output, and in fact I might use a white base on my look today just so we can see how that works. The next 4 are the shimmers. Shimmer, 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 shimmer. Okay, this is a great Easter palette. I don't know what to tell you except that it's Eastery. The next color is called Ethereal, this blue here, and then a mint green called Illuminate, an even lighter blue called Angelic, which has a lot of white in it, and then a peachy shimmer called Halo. Blue one has a lot of purple reflect in it. And the last 4 colors are your deepening up colors. So we have a dark purple called, well, darker, it's still kind of pastel, called Transcend. Then we have Everlasting, which is a black, Cherub, which is this beautiful rosy pink, and then Affirmation, which is a brownie red. Actually, that black has a lot of blue tone in it. It may be a deep, deep blue or a black with a blue undertone. So let's look at that close up, and then I will come back and we'll do my eyes. Okay, let's play with this new palette. I'm going to put on some eyebrows first. I have a pencil here from Floret that I've been using, and I'm going to continue to use that. Let's see. Let's quickly draw on my brow parts that are missing. Brow parts. So, what have you guys been watching on television? The last thing we watched, I think, was Begonia on HBO, and I have to say I liked the movie. I didn't love it, but I thought it was well done. Do I think it's better than Sinners? No, I loved Sinners. Sinners was amazing. A lot of people probably feel like Sinners is overrated now because everyone's like, Sinners is amazing! But I love Sinners. I hope that wins everything tonight. I am filming this on the day that they have the Oscars, so hopefully that will all go smoothly and no one will slap anyone. Conan is hosting. I love Conan. I think he's hilarious. I think it's the HBO channel has a special with him, and he is just really funny on it. Okay, I'm going to start off with this pink here. And we're gonna, you know what, let me put on, what I'm gonna do is use one eye with the white base, and this is Lock-In Base eyeshadow base from Day Day Signature. And then the other eye I will use, I'm going to use my Morphe eye base. This is a really good eye base. I highly recommend this. we'll see what the difference looks like. So I'll start off doing my right eye with the regular eye base. It is very light, so it should help a little bit, but it's not white. So let's see what the difference is here. And then for the white base, we're just going to paint that on. And we'll use our finger to smudge that in nicely. Okay, so you can see the difference in my eyes right now. One is much more bright and white. So let's see if that helps. I'm going to try and do the same color story on both eyes, and then we can compare if you should use a white base with this palette or not. So I'm going to start with a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to start in this peach color right here. I'll do my right eye first because I'm going to let that white base properly dry. And I'm just going to plop this all along the upper brow bone and even up to my brow itself. And down into the crease. You can see you get some pigment. It's not bad. It's actually quite pretty. And then we're going to take a smaller brush. This is a Singe E10. And I'm going to go into this beautiful, like, purpley pink. This rosy color. And I'm just going to take this along the, like, 3/4 of the way along the crease and back. Okay, and then to deepen up, we'll take an even smaller brush, an E5 from Singe, and go into this dark reddish brown. And let me not drop it. Okay, so I'm not dropping it anymore. That's good. We're just going to plop that right in the corner here. Then we need some pretty sparkle, so I'm just going to use this peach sparkle here. I'm going to use my finger to put it on. It is very pretty. It looks like it almost has a rainbow in it. Rainbow! So let's put that there. And what we'll do is we'll take that deep color and also go right below my lash line to finish up. Now let's see what it looks like on the other side. So again, we're going to start with the peach. Then we're going to go into the pink. I can definitely say this pink is showing up a lot better on the eye with the white. And the peach looks almost softer to me. But I hardly needed any of this rosy color. And let's see how the red looks. And finally, we'll put on some shimmer. And what I will say is the shimmer looks decidedly less peach on the eye with the white. To me, the white comes out more. But see if you can see a difference. And finally, we'll just take, again, this brush and go underneath with whatever's left on the brush, because there's plenty left. And there you have it. Let's see. I am going to take this bluish purple color and use that as my inner corner highlight. So this color right here, and I'm going to use my pinky to do that. What do you guys think? I am going to put on some mascara and do my hair so you can see what it looks like all finished up. But I think this palette is lovely either with a regular base or with a white base. The white base will make the colors a little bit different, so I think the peach looks softer and the purples pop out a little bit more. So here we have the final look. I'm really happy with this palette. It's a really nice Eastery palette. And I do think that the pastels in it are beautiful. They are quite pigmented for pastels. And I'm going to be using this for Easter, I think. Even though I don't really celebrate Easter anymore. My son's grown up and yeah, I don't go to church, so. Yeah, so if you like this look, feel free to hit like. It really helps my channel. And I will see you all in the next one. Remember, be lucky, not sad. Bye.